In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize HubSpot, specifically through the user guide functionalities. We'll walk through some simple steps that will help you to efficiently upload documents within the system. So, whether you're new to HubSpot or just need a little refresher, this tutorial will cover everything you need. First things first, let's get started by heading over to HubSpot's main interface. For this demonstration, you'll want to open your web browser and go to the HubSpot user guide. It's located on the app NA2 subdomain, so make sure you're logged into your account before you begin to enjoy seamless access to all the features. Once you've reached the user guide section within the app, the next step is to click on the Documents tab. Typically, you'll find this in your dashboard menu. Clicking on Documents will navigate you to an area where all your current documents are stored. It's essentially HubSpot's document management system where you can organize and manage all your files effectively. Now, if you're wondering where to find your documents, don't worry. They're neatly listed there, ready for you to access or make modifications to as needed. Now that you're in the document zone, you're going to want to upload a new document. You'll see an option labeled Upload Document. This is generally found on the top right corner of the screen, making it very easy to spot. Clicking on this will open up a window which allows you to select a document from your computer. Now, here's a handy tip. Ensure your file is in an acceptable format and size according to HubSpot's specifications before uploading to avoid any hiccups. Once you've selected your document, simply follow the on-screen instructions to ensure it uploads without a hitch. Throughout this process, if you encounter any issues or get stuck, HubSpot has a robust help section and community forums where you can seek additional assistance. Feel free to reach out if something's not quite working as it should. To wrap up, we've navigated through accessing HubSpot's user guide, locating the document section, and successfully uploading a document. With these steps, you can manage your files seamlessly within HubSpot and make sure all your necessary documentation is organized and readily accessible whenever you need it. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore other features of HubSpot to become more comfortable with the platform. If you found this guide helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more content. Happy uploading, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.